Hey guys, back with another video. So today I'm changing a blower motor resistor. This is how it looks. That's a new one right there, and it's normally in this little area right here. If you got one of these vehicles, this is a 95 Econoline E350 basically. Other blower motors are probably in different areas. Other one of these are probably in different areas, but I think with these vehicles they all are in this area with these years. 95, 96, probably even 97 you probably find it here. So yeah, quick change out. What this does is when you're trying to turn the speed of the fan inside the car, you notice that you won't be getting like 1, 2 or 3. You probably will be getting 4 or 5, or just getting 5 speed. So this is what you change to get all the speed back. So I'm just gonna swap this out, and then we're gonna try and check the speed in a bit. All right, so this is a quick change. All right, let's do it. Just to let you know, it's just 2 little bolts that holds it up. Just put it in there like so. Fits right there. Put your bolts in. Bottom here. I think that's a 8. Here's my 8. Alright, this is tighten it too much with this, but that's the circuit board there. You don't want to break it, so give it a little tighten up, and that should be it right there. All right, there we go. Sit tight in there. Next bolt under the bottom there. Yeah, so now we're gonna test the blower. Here they are. You can hear that. You can hear that came on. That's on low. You can hear it. Next speed. Other one. Everybody's working now. I think it's got some stuff in there. I'm gonna have to take it out. Like, I have to probably clear. Probably have leaves or something in there. I'm gonna get it vacuum and try and vacuum it out. So, all right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.